I've lost 22 pounds. 22 pounds. Hey guys, I'm Justine, and recently I have been eating low carb and a little bit higher fat and protein, and I have lost 22 pounds and counting. And today I wanted to show you one of my new favorite recipes, these low carb, keto friendly stuffed bell peppers. The first thing we're going to do is ground this beef up. Alright, so I took the tops and the seeds out from 4 of my bell peppers. Now I'm going to cut this one up and dice it up into pieces. Up this black garlic. It seems fancy AF. When in doubt, pinkies out. Alright, let's open up this black garlic. So this smells super good. It's fermented garlic. We're going to be putting it in here. Trying something new. We'll put this piece in here. Alright, since we're doing keto, we're going to be adding butter to the pan now. Sauteed. So now we're going to add the ground beef back. So we added the ground beef into the mixture of bell peppers and spinach. Now we're going to put in cauliflower bits. So before I started doing keto, I would have put rice. But we're keto now, so that's what we get. Alright. Next, a can of tomato sauce. Next, we're going to add in a can of tomato sauce. All right, the next step is to add an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. And stir. Just be very careful. All right. Now we're gonna season it up. You can put whatever your favorite seasonings are. All right, so I threw in my favorite seasonings: Lowry's seasoning salt, garlic, onion powder, basil. And now we're gonna put in the cheese. All right, now we're gonna take this delicious stuffing and put it into our bell peppers. And then I'm gonna put them in the glass baking dish that I'm gonna be using. Just whatever, 8x8, 9x9. Mine's like 8x4, I don't know, 8x6. 8x9. Okay, so stuff these bad boys and fill these up with this delicious stuffing that we just made. So next I'm mixing a firm cheese that is similar to like Parmesan with sharp cheddar. And I'm gonna top these with lots of cheese. So next I'm mixing a firm cheese that is similar to like Parmesan with sharp cheddar. And I'm gonna top these with lots of cheese. Now I'm gonna put these in the oven for 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. All right, now let's give this a try. All right, and that's how I make these super easy, keto-friendly, low-carb stuffed bell peppers.